Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and one feature was missing from Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, that is the flashlight feature, which is in most of the Amazfit watches. So in this video I will be talking about how you can make the flashlight feature available for your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So this will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is a really great watch in the price point of 6,999. It has all the features which a smartwatch should have. Only some of the features like calling and music storage are not there, but most of the features are there which are really good in this price point. So the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini doesn't come with a flashlight option, which is available in other Amazfit watch like the Amazfit GTS and GTS 2. So how to enable this option in this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is really simple. First of all, you need to go to the Zap app, which is the official app for Amazfit watch, and here you have to come to the watch face option. Once you come to the watch face option, so how to go to the watch face option is you need to come to the enjoy option and you need to click on watch face. In the watch face option, you need to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you need to find a watch face like this one. So once you click on these watch faces, these 4 watch faces, any of them, just click on the background image option here, and you have to select a background image which is completely white. Click on select, and after that make sure you have selected the color display of the time to white also. That will help to make it work as a flashlight. Click on sync, and it will start syncing the watch face to the watch. Once it has completed syncing to the watch, you will be getting a watch face which will be completely white in color. So now the problem is how you can change it and make it work as a flashlight. So what you need to do is, once the syncing has been finished, you need to change the watch face to the other watch face which will be available in the watch. So there will be other watch faces also, you can select any one of them. Let's select this one, and once you need the flashlight, you just need to click on the watch and just swipe right to get that white watch face which will act as a flashlight. And also make sure you have turned the brightness to full, which will help you to make it a real good flashlight for your watch. So you will be getting the option to change the watch face when the flashlight use is over, and you will be able to again use the watch faces which are there for your Amazfit watch, which is really great. So this is the really easy way you can turn your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini into a mini flashlight, which I wanted to show you guys. So thank you guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.